Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are well. I'm also well by the grace of Allah. Welcome to my Crypto Project River YouTube channel. And today I am going to talk about a decent project and its Gistcoin, the official token for social media communities. So it's the one of the best project in this time, and here you can see there a great website, and today I am going to talk about their overview about their tokenomics and roadmap. So don't be late, let's go. Here's the official token for social media communities. The official token for social media communities, a new audio drop in monetization and gamification ecosystem powered by blockchain technology. Gizcoin is a utility token for all influencers, streamers, musicians, and artists, brand and content creators from all backgrounds who create content across social media communities. And they believe that a decentralized token system allows for all creators, including creators from underrepresented groups, and to have direct access to their fans and monetization method. So here's the option of get start now. If you click here, you can get how to start your way here. And here you can see their pre-sale 9 days, 12 hours and 34 minutes are remaining, and it is one of the best project. Here is no doubt. And what is Gistcoin? Gitcoin is a utility token for all influencers, streamers, musician, artists, brand, and content creators from all backgrounds who create content on social media communities and in other audio network. And here it is the peer-to-peer and audio drop-in platform and digital goods. And why you choose or use Gitcoin? Bitcoin is a type of electronic cash that can be directly exchanged for digital content, products, and service, and subsequently converted into fiat currency. And it's a third-party independent means of exchange payment from content consumer and content creators can take place without any intermediary, and removes national boundaries and local currencies issues for free flow of creative works. One currency of exchange for content works globally, and user anonymity guaranteed, and up to date encrypted day-to-day transaction is of payment for micropurchase and payment for creative works. Price fluctuation purely by the principle of demand and supply. Transaction without restriction of free time and space, used in all social media platforms internationally. So here's their intro video. If I play it, you can
Content
see that.
creators. Until now. Introducing JustCoin, the new cryptocurrency for the monetization and gamification of old, new, and emerging social media portals. JustCoin allows content creators and users of social media to gamify and monetize their experience in a way never before seen in the social media industry. With JustCoin, the new token for social media communities. Content creators on social media can now be immediately compensated through a blockchain-powered cryptocurrency that can also be converted into fiat money through crypto exchanges. Apart from using JustCoin as a utility gamification and compensation token, regular consumers of content on social media platforms can also get access to premium and exclusive content offered by content creators. Get in on the ground floor of JustCoin, the first official monetization and gamification cryptocurrency for the social media economy, at www.justcoinico.com. Blockchain tech.
So I think you all are understand that how it is Justcoin. Justcoin is their electronic cash that can be directly exchanged for digital content and product and service, and subsequently converted into fiat currency. So it's their unique concept, and their concept is very clear. And how do creators and audio platform user use monetize Gistcoin? Gistcoin, the goal of Gistcoin is to enable creators and unlock an economy around their community and to tap into new method of monetization that works across multiple platforms. Not only does it create an engaged community who can tip with Gistcoin and spend Gistcoin to create exclusive access to content, special and in whatever way pleases them. Gistcoin allows content creator to build a loyal fan base and get rewarded for creating value for members of their user community. So, how do creators make money from Gistcoin? The goal of Gitcoin is to enable creators to unlock an economy around their community and tap into new method of monetization that works across multiple platforms. And not only does it create an engaged community who can tip with Gitcoin and spend Gitcoin to get exclusive access to content, special access, event, and merch. But it enables creators to monetize without paying a high platform fees. And here the Gitcoin roadmap. The April 2020 on idea generation, the origin of Gitcoin idea generation, development of the concept and business plan, and here's their start time and May June 2021 concept development of Gitcoin Kickstart and development of a pilot publication Gitcoin for the future platform Clubhouse. And September 1st, 2021, white paper publication, attracting of investor investment, Gitcoin registration team building. And September 15th, 2021, Gitcoin wallet, development of Gitcoin wallet mockup technical audit. And October 1st, 2021 will be release of MVP mockup. Release of MVP mockup to the technical team for development. Here first to 30 on October here 2021 initial cloud sale preparation of Gitcoin and development of a smart contract of Gitcoin release. Continued the development of the platform ecosystem formation, continuation more than 10 partners. And here, October 15th, 2021, Clubhouse public beta testing. Clubhouse public beta testing carried on and feedback collected from end user. And here, December 1st, 2021, rollout of guest house and creator rewards program. December 1st, 2022, listing of Gitcoin on public trading exchange, at least three. And January on 2022, launching of Gitcoin trading platform and Gitcoin acceptance partner expansion campaign. And June 1st, 2022, official launching Gist House audio drop in social media platform. And here's their roadmap. If you want to know about their project in detail, you can see their white paper. And here's their white paper download option. And Gitcoin structure here, token pre-sale 1st September to 30 September 2021. It's already gone. And token crowd sale 1st October to 31 October 2021, and it's ongoing. And here the total supply 50 crores, and price on this is equal to 0.05 USD. And here's their one is equal to 64,000 GST. And minimum participation in crowd sale 0.003 on ETH. And total soft cap is equivalent here 1,500 ETH, and soft cap is 10 lakhs. And total token allocation 50 crores, and Gitcoin total offered in initial crowd sale 10%, and total offered for crowd sale 40%. And here's the accepted currencies: ETH, BTC, and wire transfer. And token distribution date here 15 November 2021. Total unmarked for bounties airdrop is 5.5%, and total for partners and affiliates 5%. Total reserve for airdrop and GitHub veterans 20%. Total reserve for founders 17%. Total reserve for GitHub and developers 2.5%. Here's the Gistcoin Dreams team. Their team is here. You can see business and strategy advisor board. You can see their founder and CEO, director of business development, founder and chairman. And here's their director of finance and due diligence. And here's their technical development team, software engineer, here the web developer and software creator, and that's all. Here's the latest news. Guest House founder released MVP of Guest House audio guesting ahead of schedule. Here's their publication date is for October 2021. And Guest House founder released beta version of audio guesting app as Guestcoin Crowdsale open to the public. Here the publication date October 2021. So for today, I will discuss about this project in my next video, and I show you how to log in their dashboard and how to sign up. Here's their login option, and here's their sign up option. I just show you. Here you put your name here, your email here, and password here, and debit password. Just agree their terms and condition and create your account. Just paste it. So it's very easy and simple. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you again. Goodbye.